But she's here and she's coming back tomorrow. So
UP din.
research agenda ng mga UP scientists. So this is the whole community in the region. And we can put our act together and we have the media. Yan ang pala halaga na nakaka-ambush yung mga media. Pakpakan natin ng media dito. Ito na nakaka-ambush yung mga historians. Wala ganito. I acknowledge the presence of former Governor Honorable Mimiet. Salamat ha, kay through Ma'am Mimiet. We had negotiations with our lunch from the province of Leyte today. Pakpakan natin ng Governor. Okay, so pwede ito taagi. Miss Carney. And you're so sweet, but you're so brave. Maybe media people, hindi ni Ronald, in 24 hours, nagsabwak man, hindi nga pagsubayan atong kabili, na nagsabwak iliwat na breaking apart. Ano nga rin ito na nagkakarigumok?
Buburuga. Nagbuburuga.
No pa na term, okay? My son is telling me my time is up. So, thank you very much. Already mga next steps. Okay, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Joyce, for pointing out.
Okay na lang ang kagihimam, kay mga puderoso lideratuhan probinsya. So let's honor them with an applause at the province of Leyte, our sponsor. And mga political leadership, we have also in the house, our friends in the house, Anna and Karen, Honorable Anna Tuason and Honorable Karen Javier. What do we do? Panel 1 and Panel 2 on history, there is so much to be done in research. Historical research. But we can't do historical research without knowledge and skills. So ano tatbubuhaton? The VERA is thinking of organizing a consortium of state universities and colleges. Probably the entity, when done, could push that there be a historical research program so that we would have young people in every community doing their own community historical research. Anong papakpakan natin young people? Aba daw, ma-attend din natin seminar workshop. So we will bring once again Dr. Imperial, Professor Cargadilla, magseseminar po tayo. So that's what we should do, so that our target is to publish. So every historian should be able to publish something that they have written. It's up to you if you're interested in World War II, or Phil-American War, or history of your settlements, or narratives from your elders like what Cernino did. So maayad man ito kung mag-uurus storya na maghimang raw na. So that's one. Number 2, critical, because of Ma'am Carmi. Critical need is to study and as a collective voice out from a rights-based perspective. That's what she and her fellow Homonhon inhabitants wish. Rights-based perspective, right to life, right to environment, right to a healthy water, right to life. So we have basis, we have historical data, we have Dr. Borinaga, Dr. George Borinaga, may din natin mapupuhat ito. So, we will request the EBSU, the LLU, UP, scientists, social scientists to come up with something for Homonhon because we need the data. May nagpakpak kay Carmi, pakpakan tayo kay Carmi na lilipa. You know, it's a commitment. This is a commitment. Baga kita nga tanan didi, nagpaka-register man ka mo, may da kita commitment. Ha? Alright. Oh, war. How about local heroes? How about our local heroes? General Lukban, who else? Kang Leon. Bis pa daw magburubing kilay, Emil, nganan mga iba pa nga historiador, kung naangay bahira, kung diri. Basta estudyuhan tara, bring them up. Peñaranda, Mojica, hirahinupaan, waray kangarani. the grandfather of Monsignor Aguilos, pero nasa rin ayaw ko nung isumat kay intelligence ito. Bagay na yan ni Monsignor Aguilos, code 0011. Okay? So, research for history, historical research, and a statement, and probably a proposal to declare Homonhon Island not only as a historical site, but also a heritage zone. So that's the diplomatic part. Kung may mga aktivista dito, paghinay lang ka mo. Ha? Kung magrarally ka mo, kung may Daniel slogan, kung magrarally ka mo, di ba Joey, there is such a thing as dramaturgy of radical activity. May karantahay, may saraya. Okay, may fashion show ba nga nito? Nagpa-fashion show. May slogan, pero nagpakabado, hira, anira itsura mga diwata, hira makapatag, makaandog, nagkakasisina na. Okay? So, creative resources. And we have heritage cuisine and the games. Probably we will once again revive the late heritage festival for next year. And also revive our food festival. And this time we will have the chefs like Chef Mark Sabayan, okay, sharing his, not only the recipes, but also other narratives, no? Other narratives about not only pako, but also about hagik-hik, kung ano pa mga haisog na atong lukman. So, ini mga proposals magkakagawas kayo. May iyan natin in the pipeline. Actually, this forum has been like 5 years in the making. Diba, Monsignor Ramon? Timing lang kami, timing. Monsignor Ramon, para tuso ini na, kaya ano, na-postpone na liwat. Dere na kita ma-postpone, kaya nasumatan ko na yung Manuel dito, uy, mag-aandam at to kay Tika-Peter Samar. Daw, kung padi na nga nit magsugal dito, nagkakalilisak na kami. Okay, so, what about our day 2? When we had Kalibayan and Agustin L. Amora and Sirang performing arts, ada promote the performing arts. Ay kita always free. Maswerte yan ang mga kabataan yan kaya anatong mga artista didindi. No, pero waray bayad ang mga kabataan din, waray magbayad kay sponsored hira. Diba? Ay kamo pahiaran na sponsor kay baman kung may daniyo concert nga nagsusugad-sugad ka mo ito tag-200 ito, di ba? So support, na? Promotion, other than engaging, other than practicing your own craft. Ang mga theater directors din ni young singers and young composers. So maybe we will have our festival. Let me announce that we have ongoing conversations with young artists and also with possible hosts for a heritage camp where we will bring our young people together for learning skills in various art forms, art expressions. So there's a heritage camp. Yan ang ginuhuna-huna pa ito.
Ang mga waray laliwan.
Language, literature, more writings, probably DYVL at a support. We have here Rosemary of Tacloban City Information Office. Bakit pwede ka mo mag-host, not a press conference, but a poetry reading or spoken word and involve the media. Let us thank Ronald Reyes and our media platforms that featured Pagsubayan natin kabilim. Pakpak maliwat kita ito. So media, ang radyo, ang SIDAY, ang DYVL, pero na ito yung kadekada. So promote and publish and create a literary production. So dapat buruhaton. Mag-aano kita yan na. Mangunguli kita panhuna-huna, pamahuway, and then we are re-energized by the inspiration, the sparks of inspiration. We see our secretariat who are in their secretariat, pakpakon natin. Kita, they are senior citizens, assisted by young people, mga anak, mga umangkon. So pakpakan natin ang pinangunahan ni Ate Georgie, Tita Georgie, Mama Ripas Urbina, who is cultural bearer of the Palo Cathedral. They are the organizers of the distinctive, outstanding Flores de Mayo. Every day in Flores de Mayo, iba it kanta, iba it choreography. Hay kayo na Pilipinas, pakpakan natin ang Palo Flores de Mayo. So they're the organizers.
Eric, pwede magpasarap.
Alright, and there's Lemon and our executive director, Angie. Angie, Miss Angie Lopez. Ini ang ato ini, this is really intergenerational. Ini Lemon, anak ini ni Dr. Manao, who is also in our protocol and reception. Pakpakan natin ang Summer Heritage Society. Our protocol people, our protocol advisors, Honorable former Governor Nimiat Bagulaya, where are you? Ade man ang tago-tago naman inyong ginahagkot na kuno yasya ito.
Salamat. May dapat
Ma'am Nimiat, thank you for the advice on protocol. You brought so much of your knowledge to our event. How to deal with our sponsors, how to thank them, how to ask them. And Ludet, of course, Miss Ludet Ruiz, who moves around, and even if she's tired, she's always smiling. Look at her. And her partner is photographer, Pride also. And we have our tech team of the East and the Arts. So they
Number
missed
7 requirements.
Balitaw, sundog ko na ito. Anyway, and the most important of all, nagpaka-snack kita, nagpaka-lunch kita, maupay yung spread, bisan, hino naman tatong sunod na sponsor. Well, thank you to our finance officer, Madam Meldin, musician, Miss Professor Agustin L. Amora. So kindly remind me